Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol M, Macy's. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Not sure what I mean by 30-minute. I offer an explanation video at that link. Another very eventful day in this one. Not really necessarily above average volume, but a lot of volume, well above average to normal. And this whole week has been pretty crazy. But as now the day is over, it's presented a couple of very, very straightforward levels to watch going forward. And I emphasize straightforward because this is not some sort of great discovery on my part where I have some sort of special skill or anything like that. These are levels that I assure you people that use charts and understand charts have taken note of. And I go through all that because when lots of people are going to be watching the same areas and wondering the same things, call it a self-fulfilling prophecy, call it whatever you want. It can produce some very, very dynamic movements. And that's exactly what we have going on with this initial level right here at $6. What is that? $6.25, we'll call it. So if you go through the history of the chart, you can see this was a former area of resistance, and basic technical analysis states that when levels of resistance are broken and closed above, you want to see them act as support, and that's exactly what happened there. And basically all day long. Sure, it didn't hit it exactly the entire day, but just hovered right around that area. So my point is this: you're going to have longs and shorts and everybody in between watching that level and wondering, can it hold up? If it cannot hold up, so if the price falls below it, I mean, there's no such thing as a guarantee, but my point is it's a more than valid, it's a more than rational thought to have that if the price does drop below 625, that could very well create quite a bit of downwards pressure. And at that point, send this thing more than likely probably at least down below the $6 mark. Now, on the flip side, maybe this thing starts to work its way back upwards. And in that event, the level that all those breakout players are going to be watching sits right up here around $6.70. So same concept. If the price gets up through 670, am I saying that's a guaranteed breakout? No, but my point is it's a valid thought to have that with a break of 670, that could create some upside buying pressure. So these are going to be the two main levels that I watch going into next week. So let's see what happens with it. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.